Hey guys, today I'm going to run through a quick demo of the update set utility plugin that is enhanced with our Arlo suite. Now the main premise behind the utility is to help facilitate and standardize documentation and to assist in update set promotion into upper environments. To start off, you're going to want to run through our guided setup to install the appropriate plugins, create the UI actions that trigger this functionality, and to set up the system properties for this utility. Once you have everything configured, we can go ahead and navigate to either the update set table or the retrieved update set table to select our updates that we want to print the contents out. Now from here, we can either select multiple update sets within the list view, or if there's just one update set that we want to go into, we can click the UI action here in the top. What this is going to do is bring up a portal page that prints out all of the contents with our update set and in an organized fashion for us to be able to identify what is actually in here and move this into our documentation. Now we can see that there are a couple of things in here that don't really pertain to what we want to pull in. They're not relevant. So we can uncheck those particular items here in the control panel on the left-hand side. And you can see that they're just removed from our panel here in the middle. Now the cool thing about Arlo is that we can reach out to an LLM to retrieve descriptions. And while that's being retrieved, this is essentially configured within one of our system properties to identify what type of update we want to retrieve these descriptions for. Now most of these out of box, they are tied to update types with scripts, but we can add in additional update types as needed, as we're passing in the actual XML of that content or of that object to the LLM to give us a better understanding of what's actually happening behind the scenes for that particular item. Now, if we click back into our portal, we can see here for our script include and for our UI actions and widgets that we are getting the AI generated content. Now, once we have everything configured here on this end, we can go ahead and click the copy to clipboard. We're going to get a little notification saying that the data has been copied to our clipboard. And if we click into our documentation, we can go ahead and simply just paste this directly into our documentation, and it's going to give us a nice organized list of all the contents for our update set. Now, what we just saw here was one particular update set, but again, you can have multiple update sets. And the cool thing is that you can consolidate all of these updates. So if you have multiple update sets, you can consolidate them so that everything that's tied to access control, access roles, everything's gonna combine together within that one particular update. So if you have 10 different update sets for a particular epic or a project that you want to add into your documentation, you can combine everything into one and add that into your documentation. And from here, there is a link back to every single one of the objects that are listed when they're applicable. And this is going to build a URL from the instance that you trigger this functionality from.